Ladies and gentlemen, these moments are not only a testament to the immense power of nature, but also a reminder to us of the smallness and fragility of humans in the face of this power. Right now, we are witnessing a scary tornado with increasing strength. This tornado has the ability to destroy everything in its path. Let's follow and feel the terrible power of nature. This tornado has the ability to destroy everything in its path. Let's follow and feel the terrible power of nature. Let's follow and feel the terrible power of nature. Join us now on a breathtaking and dangerous journey filled with moments when Mother Nature is angry. This is the program Wrath of Nature. We invite you and your friends to watch. This journey filled with moments when Mother Nature is angry. This is the program Wrath of Nature. We invite you and your friends to watch. But the situation becomes even more terrible when offshore, a volcano is starting to erupt. Dense clouds of dust and ash cover the sky, and sunlight was completely obscured. Bright red lava flows into the sea, creating huge clouds of smoke and threatening neighboring areas. This scene is truly a nightmare for people living nearby. Ladies and gentlemen, a devastating landslide just occurred in Guizhou Province, southwest China, causing serious devastation to the area. We will follow the developments of the case with you soon. As you can see, the scene before your eyes is extremely scary. Huge rocks and mud from high mountains are pouring down at terrifying speed, destroying everything in its path. The setting is dark, the air is stuffy with the smell of dirt and rocks and the sounds of crashes. According to experts, this landslide may be due to heavy rainfall in recent times, causing the soil and rocks to become loose and easy to slide. Local authorities warned people to leave dangerous areas, but not everyone evacuated in time. This is one of the largest landslides we have ever recorded in Guizhou. Extreme weather conditions combined with mountainous terrain created this disaster. We are continuing to monitor the situation and put in place preventative measures to avoid further landslides. The landslide disaster in Guizhou not only caused material damage, but also left endless pain for the people here. We will continue to update the latest information on the rescue and recovery situation. Ladies and gentlemen, according to what we receive from satellites, currently, off the coast of eastern China, a terrible storm is forming and moving with extremely strong winds. Please join us in following the latest developments of this storm. This storm is moving at extremely fast speed and is expected to make landfall on an archipelago located in eastern China. Its winds reached 150 kilometers per hour, potentially causing serious damage to the area. The storm is getting closer, strong winds begin to appear, rising sea waves hit the shore creating huge columns of water. You can clearly see the terrible power of nature attacking this archipelago. Heavy rain and strong winds make everything blurry. Currently, The weather situation in the northern mountainous region is very worrying. Although the rain has gradually decreased, the amount of water flowing in from upstream is increasing, creating a very dangerous situation. Currently, thousands of people have had to leave their homes, carrying essential items to find safe shelter. Rescue forces are working non-stop, trying to move each family and each person to safety. These images really make us feel sad. Soil, rocks, trees were swept away, and roads were completely cut off. Authorities are trying their best to clear the route, provide relief, and ensure safety for people. Up to this point, we have recorded many cases of casualties and missing persons. Search and rescue work is being deployed with all possible resources. We will continue to update you with detailed and timely information. Please join us in praying for the people in the northern mountainous areas to overcome this difficult time.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's special program. We are witnessing a devastating natural tragedy on the East Indian Archipelago. Just as the summary states, a devastating earthquake has awakened a long-dormant underground volcano. The tremor activated the volcano, causing clouds of black smoke to cover the air. Streams of lava erupted violently like divine storms accidentally released from deep underground. At this time, the smoke from the volcano spread throughout the archipelago, destroying the peace. Fierce fires burned out, causing widespread forest fires, turning the whole land into a hellish scene. Rescue efforts are burning every day and night, but the chaos and destruction have become a major challenge for rescue forces. We all hope that the victims will be rescued and that the devastation will not continue to spread further. Let us pray and hope that this archipelago will overcome this challenge, and the people here will soon regain a peaceful life. Today, we will witness together a terrifying event, a terrifying avalanche that has swept away everything within its reach. Today, we will witness together a terrifying event, a terrifying avalanche that has swept away everything within its reach. Huge slabs of snow began to slide down, carrying everything in their path. Police and rescue workers did their best to evacuate everyone. But not everyone can escape the devastation of this natural disaster. Journalists are reporting at the scene, describing a horrifying scene. They have to fight every inch of snow, every strong wind, to keep themselves and their loved ones safe.